Muslim. So guys, this is
Hi, good afternoon. This is a Saturday. Oh, no, this is Sunday. This is Sunday, 23rd of August, 2020, 1:30 p.m. And we had brunch, and then I was thinking, what to do. So we're gonna do lamb shank today. We're gonna try something. And Kausa with me, and I'll tell you what. While we're doing that, say hi, Kausa.
Hi, Kosa.
But anyway, he liked to be called Bendy. Hi, Bendy.
Hi.
What do you call me?
Uh,
I thought you called me Boris.
Benjamin.
No, you, Bendy. While we're doing this, I give this to Kausa, and by the time we finish, we compare notes. Okay, Kausa, can I take this one? And you draw big Bendy here. Okay?
Hurry.
Good, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, you draw, and I'll do this one. So this is a lamb shank. Look how huge this lamb shank is. It's about. I'll show you. So it costs 36 ringgit per kilo. This is about 816 grams. That's shy of 1 kilo. 30 ringgit it cost me. 29. That's a good number, 29. So it's been thought for, well, I bought this a couple of days ago. And it has been thawed already in the fridge for quite a while. So this is what I'm going to do. Okay. Let's pat it dry first. Draw Bendy. I don't know what who Bendy will be doing. Draw Bendy doing something. Okay. Now, this is well thought, a bit cool, but ready, just about ready to be cooked. So this would have come from a very nice size lamb. It's a huge lamb and a huge piece there. I like when I buy shank, I like the one that is really meaty like this, not a skinny one. So anyway, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to use a biryani masala. Not to choose this one. Brand name. This is one of my favorite, of course, from Pakistan. And this is the biryani masala. I got this in KL the other day, and I'm going to wrap the whole thing up. I think. Hey, draw. This is the plum. This is really nice. This one here give you that tart taste. Oh, hey, where are you going? Auntie Gabba, you draw. Okay, you have Bendy there.
Draw Bendy.
Draw Bendy.
And also
Tails door. Okay. Make sure you get all the sides.
and your tail.
Okay. I'm going to use the whole pack of spices for this one. Okay. Okay, there you go. Quite salty though, this one is. So there's a lot of salt in here. Okay. I'll take another piece. Making sure it's all wrapped up nicely. While I'm doing this, notice Kausa is drying his bendi, and I'm done. I'm going to put this in the oven. Okay, for I think about how many hours do you think? 2 hours? Rita?
Yes.
About 2 hours. Okay, can you show what the bendi look like?
Tail
Tail doll. Okay, can you show?
Bendy and the machine.
That's your tail doll. You haven't finished your bendi yet. Okay. Hey, show Auntie, show Titi what you've been drawing.
The baby doing the. Wow!
Look at that. Who's this?
Bendy.
B.
E-N-D-Y.
Bendy. My God, even though they have not been to school the whole year this year, he still can write. And who's this?
And tail doll.
And Tails doll. Wow, that's your friend?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Let's
My color pencil.
yep. Let's get this one in the oven. Come. How many hours do you think? 2.5? Let's go for 2.5. Okay. Let's go for 2.5 hours. At this is the maximum that my oven can give. So in there for 2.5 hours in circulation. Next step, we are going to do boiled rice. Now, there has been controversy for, especially with us here in Asia, because we don't do boiled rice. And the first time I've seen it, this involves boiling the rice with a lot of water for 10 minutes, and that's it. Okay, now got our water here. We'll take some time for the water as well. Water is boiling. I have that much of, this is basmati hard water. And let's see how much we have left. That's enough. That's enough to feed 5 people. Okay, now this is what we're gonna do. I need my briyani to be a bit on the salty side, or salt just a bit, and we're going to boil. Okay, 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Okay, go. we leave in there for, let's see, give it 30 minutes. Okay, so you have your rice, you have your lamb, you have the shank in there. The shank have been cooked for 2.5 hours, and basically it's more than 2.5 hours because I just put it in the oven. I was running around washing the car, doing other things, so it's been in the oven for hours and hours. After the cooking, I just let it cook for a long time. I'm sure it's going to be enough. Hopefully it's going to be tender, and the juice, all the juice that come out of it, you know, we didn't use any liquid at all, and that alone will give all the flavor of the lamb right into the rice. I think it's going to be great. I think so. We're going to wait for another 30 minutes or so. Okay, welcome to that's Mr. Crazy Guy. Come. Okay, let's sit. Okay, you better be careful.
Hot.
Hot. Okay, I think you better put it away. Now, what I'm going to do now is to pick up our
Later.
letter.
It's hot because the devil cooked it.
This is our
Lamb.
lamb. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, you see that?
It's a pasta.
So that's the rice. It's white, right? It's white, magic.
It's black.
Okay, now what we do is
Oh.
mix it. Okay.
It is not Romley's kitchen. This is Romley's magician.
Oh, can you smell the lamb?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now there's no coloring, no anything. It's just everything is from the lamb. So yes. So what you do is we're going to transfer this. Now this is hopefully it's going to be tender than I thought. Oh, look at that. Oh,
Look at that.
ooh, look at that. So, wow. So yes.
Thank you so much.
I'll take this piece.
Let's have a try.
Let's have a try. What do you think? Yeah?
Very nice. The texture. You have to eat that.
Yeah. Very soft. Tender.
Very
and yet,
tender.
And yet the texture is still there.
Yes.
It's still holding. The last time it was a bit too. Oh, one time it was too hot. And then now, and then another time it was too soft. But this time, I think it's just right.
This is just nice.
And the rice, you can taste the lamb, the flavor of the lamb right into the rice.
Okay. Very nice.
Yeah, it's very nice. Kausa, you like some?
Is it a success?
I think so.
It is a success. Success. Very success. This is Zara. Great granddaughter.
Granddaughter. This is my it's my grandniece, and this is my grandniece. This is my grandson. Okay. So, what do you say, guys? 1, 2, 3.
Bon appetito! Tawid, tawid, tawid! Tawid, 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 tawid! Tawid!
Yeah. You say what about me? Okay, me. Okay, come. Show what you have.
Bona?
Is
What's
it-
that?
Okay.
What's that?
Bon potato.
Yay! Okay. Guys.
Give it here!
Okay, let's eat. Come.